Question number 6. A spring of negligible mass and length L0 hangs from a fixed point. Okay, so this is your spring. When mass m is attached to the free end, so this length is L0. When mass m is attached to the free end of the spring, the length of the spring increases to L. Okay, so when I am increasing, I put a mass over here, the length has increased to L over here. The tension in the string is equal to K delta X. Okay, K delta X is nothing but the tension T. Okay, which is nothing but the pulling force. What is K value? Okay, so towards it. So now what is delta X here? See, earlier this was the length. Now because you added a mass, this is the length over here. So therefore the total length is equal to so much. The extension here is nothing but L minus L0. So I will now write K into L minus L0 should be equal to, what is this tension? The tension arised because of the weight which has been added. So I will write mg here. So K should be equal to mg divided by L minus L0, which is the right answer. Mg divided by L minus L0 is option C.